Hello everyone, welcome back with the another video on React Native Google Maps series. So in today's video we are going to do one of I received one comment on my previous video that the person wants to check that if if the latitude and longitude, the location is inside the polygon or outside the polygon. Okay, so in Google Maps we called it geofencing. So to achieve this goal I'm using this library called GeoLib. Okay, so let's install this GeoLib first. So let's copy this and paste it inside your terminal. Okay, so after that you don't need any further installation. You don't need any further installation. Okay, so let's start our project. So how we can use this? So first of all, what we have to do is to import, load the whole library. If you want to load the whole library you can do this, but if you want to load any specific part then you can do like this. So the function that I'm going to use is point in polygon, this function. So this is the function that I'm going to use. So let's first so we will check if our point is going to lie in this polygon or not. So let's do one more thing, like copy this. Let my polygon is equals to this. Okay, and let's replace this thing with the high polygon. Okay, now save it. So inside my map view I'm going to add one more thing, which is on press. Okay, so on press I'm going to create a marker, and we are going to check if our marker lie in this polygon or not. So let's copy this, say const marker set marker is equals to use state. Okay, and let's we need a simple marker over here. So if I say let's copy this thing and paste it over here. Say if marker not equal to undefined, then use this marker. Okay, now save it. Okay, so let's zoom to our so if I click on this you can see. So what I'm going to do, if inside this I'm going to show you a alert, and if outside this I'm going to show you a alert like outside the polygon, inside the polygon. Okay, so how we can do this? So okay, so to do this what we need is this thing. So let's copy this thing and let's create a function check like lie inside polygon. So call it location lie inside the polygon or not. So for the polygon side I'm going to provide this polygon, my polygon, and for the coordinates, so let's say coordinates. Okay, and here we can pass the coordinates. Okay, so let's say let boolean bool is equals to this. So first of all, let's console.log, like console.log this thing, and the bool. So when we click on the map, so on our map click, we have to provide, so we have to say like this underscore location inside, and let's provide these coordinates. Okay, and coordinates, and let's import this thing, like import from all. Okay, so let's import this thing also. So let's save it. Okay, so let's check. So if I click on this, it's saying false. If I click on this, it's saying true. Paste it over here. Okay, so we can say, we call it geofencing. Okay, and what will be our message? So let message is equals to an empty, so an empty string if bool, then say message like exists coordinates exist inside polygon, and else say coordinate exists outside polygon, and let's pass our message over here. Okay, now save it. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do is to alert. We need an alert over here. Okay, now save it. Okay, let me check now. The coordinate exists outside polygon, okay, or exist inside polygon. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new and you want some more interesting videos. And guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a good day.